Okay. Allie's spelling bee is Monday.
Sounds like a mini-week stay to me.
Becca's science fair is on the 8th. She's presenting the solar system.
I've got just the whole brain fiber to keep her full so she can stay focused.
You rock.
She'll be ready to rock.
Make your kids' big days mini-week stays.
Whoa.
Packed with 100% whole grain fiber, Kellogg's Frosted Mini-Wheat cereal has what it takes to help keep your kids full, so they can stay focused on the days that matter most.
Keeps them full, keeps them focused.
It's time to enjoy dinner with Marie Callender's line of tasty like creamy chicken Alfredo with sun-dried tomatoes. Even from the microwave, they still taste like homemade. Baked meals from Marie Callender's. It's time to savor.
Really, yeah. Something.
Cooking Mexican tonight? Hamburger Helper has 5 festive flavors like crunchy taco.
Super
Hamburger
speed.
Helper, 1 pound, 1 pan, 1 happy family.
An epic win. Push to win. Every time. But DirecTV alone. 6,000 shows and movies at no extra charge. Much inspirational. No pain. No pain.
Something special is beginning this March. Subway is introducing the featured $5 footlong of the month. Each month, an extra special footlong joins our many $5 footlong favorites. The meatball pepperoni is the featured $5 footlong in March only. Capital One has asked yours truly to talk about the Venture Card Match My Miles Challenge. They're so confident their miles are better. They'll match the miles you earn on your airline credit card up to $100,000 on a 3-year card. Venture Card miles are good on any airline, anytime. It's like an upgrade from this to this. Sign up for a Venture Card at CapitalOne.com today and get up to 100,000 miles. What's in your wallet? Impressive, right?
It's fine, Mom.
We'll create tomorrow's cuisines or run tomorrow's restaurants with a focused degree that exposes you to world
Oh my
cuisines.
gosh, that was funny.
Culinary schools and
Oh my god. It's the other cat. There we go.
Everyone has your online dating profile.
You DJ on the weekend?
Tons of discounts. Keeping yourself at Eastern. Technology when you want it, even when you don't.
Eagle Eye. Friday at 8 on FX.
This land is my land, 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 this land is my land. Wilfred, this land is my land. A new FX original comedy coming in June.
Uh-oh, Sunrise Fest. Oh, here he is. I think I'm gonna get new batteries for this. Or a new one. Miss. A little closer to him. Choo.
Hey, what a surprise.
Thank you and subscribe.